Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are delving into the captivating world of wooden ceiling designs, showcasing a plethora of stunning ideas to elevate your interior space. From cozy living rooms to elegant dining areas, wooden ceilings bring warmth, character and timeless appeal to any room. We will explore a variety of design styles including rustic exposed beams for a charming farmhouse, aesthetics, sleek and modern wood paneling for contemporary sophistication, and intricate geometric patterns for a touch of artistic flair. Discover how wooden ceilings can visually expand small rooms, adding architectural interest to large spaces, and create a cozy atmosphere in any setting. We will also discover the different types of wooden species, finishes, and installation techniques to help you to achieve the perfect look for your home. Whether you are a design enthusiast seeking inspiration or homeowner planning to renovate, this video is sure to spark your creativity and leave you inspired to reimagine your space with the beauty of wooden ceiling designs. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.